Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we've got a fantastic selection of tech news, from open source initiatives to the limitations of current AI. Let's dive right in. First up, Apple is open sourcing Swift Build. Big news for the Swift community.
Absolutely. Open sourcing Swift Build is a massive step. It'll increase transparency and collaboration, potentially leading to faster development and improved performance. What are your thoughts on the potential impact?
I think it's huge for the ecosystem. More developers can contribute, leading to a more robust and versatile build system. It could also attract more developers to the Swift language itself. It's a win-win.
Definitely. Now let's shift gears a bit. There's a piece on the fundamental limitations of chatbot software. Interesting. It seems like we're hitting a wall with current AI approaches.
Yeah, it's a sobering article. The article highlights the challenges in creating truly intelligent systems. It's not just about scaling up. There are inherent limitations in the current architectures. We need some fundamental breakthroughs to move beyond these limitations.
Right. It makes you wonder about the future of A to I. Are we approaching a plateau? Or will there be a paradigm shift? It's a bit concerning, you know?
It's a valid concern. But I'm also optimistic. History shows that technological advancements often come from unexpected places. We just need to keep pushing the boundaries.
I see. Speaking of pushing boundaries, there's an interesting article about a new metal 3D printing technique called LMD. It promises to be less wasteful.
Less waste is always good. This LMD technique sounds promising. Reducing waste in manufacturing is crucial for sustainability. It's a great example of how innovation can address environmental concerns.
Exactly. And then there's this piece on the origin of the word mainframe. Fascinating. I never thought about the etymology of that term.
Me neither. It's a surprisingly rich history. The article shows how language evolves and reflects technological changes at them. It's a reminder that even seemingly mundane terms have interesting stories behind them.
Totally. We also have a discussion on the disappearing data.gov datasets. That's a serious issue.
Absolutely. The loss of these datasets is a huge setback for research and transparency. It highlights the importance of data preservation and archiving. We need better systems to ensure that valuable data isn't lost.
Agreed. And finally, there's a piece about a new class of life discovered inside humans. Wow, that's mind-blowing.
It is. This discovery opens up a whole new area of research. It shows how much we still don't know about the human body and its microbiome. Amazing!
It really is. Well, that's a wrap for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Join us tomorrow for another dose of tech news. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.